Hi, in this video we will discuss about the data source permissions in desktop and the service. First, we will discuss about the data source permissions desktop version. These are the steps for the desktop version and where the dataset is the APIs. The first step is when first you click on the file and go on to the options and settings. In options and settings, you have to select the option data source settings. Next, after selecting the data or settings, a dialog box will appear. In this, you will first check the data source current file, then change the each data source permissions into the anonymous. For example, credentials type you have to select the anonymous, and the privacy level you have to select in none, and then click on OK. The next one is the Power BI service permissions. When you are working with the API dataset in the Power BI service, you need to allow the permissions and APIs and change the data source settings. First, you have to move towards your Power BI desktop file in options and settings. Next, you have to select the a single source. Click on the single source. Credentials, you have to select the type anonymous and the privacy level none, organizational, and click on OK. After doing settings in Power BI desktop, then you are moved towards the Power BI service. In this, you have to check the authentication method and the privacy level settings for the data source. You have to select the anonymous authentication method, and the privacy level you have to set for the organizational. In Power BI service, you have to require the gateways. After the installation of the gateways, then you have to put the report data source level privacy levels. You have to select the privacy level organizational like below in the image. Thank you.